Don't try it at home.
Don't try this anyplace, but
Yeah.
you're going to try it now. Go ahead. We wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm already nervous.
Already so nervous for him.
No.
Uh-oh.
No.
This guy's a madman.
Always so nervous.
Don't play with tiny dolls. Oh my God.
Thank you.
Why are you laughing, Howard?
I can't stop laughing. I don't know why. That was either the stupidest thing I ever saw or the most brilliant thing I ever saw. I'm not sure yet. I got to process that.
Okay, Heidi, what do you think?
I'm still processing it too. I mean, I don't know. I feel like you're taking it a little too far.
I didn't feel the danger.
Oh, I did.
But that's not his problem. That's your problem. He almost cut his nose off.
He couldn't see.
The
And then
chainsaw.
he went like this and chopped this bit up.
Here's a man with a blindfold and an apple in his mouth with a chainsaw.
The chainsaw.
No, it's true. It's dangerous. Dangerous. Dangerous.
All right, let's vote. Yes.
I'm gonna have to say no. I'm sorry.
What?
I thought the act was intriguing. I'm curious to see what you would come up with next. I like that smile. I like the hat. So I say yes. Sure, I'd like to see you again.
Thank you, Howard. Thank you.
Heidi?
I have to tell you, this thing with the chainsaw, I don't know. I was worried that you were going to chop your nose off or
That's
something.
the idea.
I know, but I don't want this to happen.
We say yes.
Thank you, guys.
I think it'd be fair to give him another chance. I really do. I think it's the right thing.
I do have a struggle with this. It's hard for me, but I'm going to say yes.